Hello, welcome back for lesson number 66. I put a title called Chin. Today we're going to cut the finishing process at the chin area. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have done the forehead, so we will continue using the same method, duplicate, to complete the chin area. Select, we need to change the tool, 12 mm flat end mill final, right mouse click, edit, change the bottom thickness to 0, change the color, calculate, looks good, let us verify, set the frame to G54, drag the tool, Z-15, looks good, OK, OK again, let us go for solid verified, looks good, analysis visual, we have cut the chin area at the finishing level. Save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to accomplish the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to accomplish the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it, click profile cut number 3, duplicate, right mouse click, select, change to 12 mm flat end mill final, right mouse click, edit, change to 0, change the color, calculate, looks good, let us verify, set the frame, drag the tool, yes, Z-15, click OK, OK again, let us perform solid verify, slow down, play, option, analysis visual, let's take a look, looks good, this is what we expected, close, close, we save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue to perform finishing operation on this part at the next lesson. Bye bye.